In the heart of our communities, amidst the daily tumult, stand the paramedics, unsung heroes meeting the relentless tick of the clock with courage and compassion. At the intersection of ordinary life and extraordinary challenges, we begin our exploration into the paramedic world. Enter a realm where decisions are lifelines, and the weight of human life rests on the shoulders of those called to serve. Beyond the demand for excellence under pressure lies rigorous training, molding not merely skilled professionals, but genuine heroes ready to face the unforeseeable. This journey into the heart of paramedic preparation reveals the combination of knowledge, skills, and resilience necessary to navigate emergency medical complexities. Witness the dedication and unyielding spirit that define these everyday heroes, dedicated to serving others. The path to becoming a paramedic extends beyond mere endurance through rigorous training that demands physical and emotional resilience. This transformative journey turns individuals into guardians of life, where challenges serve as lessons in perseverance. As trainees master life-saving techniques against a backdrop of urgency, their voyage becomes a deep dive into self-discovery, emerging stronger and poised for responsibility. Venture deeper into the paramedic narrative, and you'll encounter the stark realities of emergency response, standing at the thin line between life and death. Amidst the journey, nestled between the beginning and the return, lies the trials and triumphs chapter. Here our paramedics are tested beyond their limits, gaining critical resilience not just for saving lives, but for navigating the emotional labyrinth each emergency presents. Success and mistakes fuel their growth, instilling lessons about trust, teamwork, and the human spirit. This stage goes beyond acquiring techniques. It's about grasping the heavy responsibility their role entails and impactfully shifting from apprehension to confidence. In the storm's heart, where seconds carry the weight of life, paramedics emerge as unsung heroes. Their stories, marked by trials, reveal personal and professional growth through narratives rich with courage and compassion. From adrenaline-driven emergencies to connecting deeply in vulnerability, their tales display not just technical proficiency, but emotional intelligence forged in real-world application. These narratives not only underscore the value of comprehensive training, but illuminate the profound capacity for human growth and the pursuit of excellence. At our journey's culmination, we behold the transformation of heroes. With training that extends beyond skill to heart and resolve, paramedics embody the essence of community guardianship. Each call answered and life touched echoes the profound impact of comprehensive paramedic training, demonstrating the real-life intertwining of technique and humanity's commitment. Reflecting on these heroes' journey underscores the foundational role of their training in life-saving, community strengthening, and in the loud resonance of their impact across society.